how are you guys doing? You're welcome back to my channel, or you're welcome to my channel. That is if this is your first time. Okay, it's so good to have you. Today's video, as you can already tell, it's gonna be about this beautiful crochet faux locks that I have on. Yes, I made this hair myself, and I noticed that whenever I get to make this type of hairstyle, I get asked a lot of questions like, what hair is they? What color is they? Where did you get them from? Are these crochet? How did you make them? How do you maintain them? How do you style? The questions just go on and on. So I thought, why not just make a video where I get to address all of these questions. But before we get started, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that. Like, what are you waiting for? So much awesomeness. So hit that notification bell when you subscribe so you can be notified when I post a video. Okay, let's just go into how to install individual crochet faux locks. I got 8 packs of these locks from AliExpress, and that's because the seller packed them 12 strands per pack, so I had to get 8, but the common ones are packed in 24 strands per pack, so you wouldn't need more than 4 packs. I really like the locks because they look really neat and smooth. I got mine in 12 inches color 1B27. Let's just get started. So I already did most of the hair off camera, but trust me, I'm still going to take you through the step-by-step process of how to make the individual crochet locks. Please just ignore my edges right now. We are going to deal with them later. So first, I'm just going to section my hair into little sections while I braid up each section. After braiding, you're going to take one strand of the locks, which comes with this loop you see right there, and then you're going to take the crochet needle and open up the latch. So then you're going to take the crochet needle and pass it right under one of the braids. Then you're going to take the crochet lock, one of the locks, and you want to hook the lock with the crochet needle and then close the latch and pass it right under the braid. Then you're going to widen up the loop of the crochet hair, and you pass both your hair and the lock right through the loop, and make sure you take the crochet hair from the tip and not from the mid section so it doesn't lose its form. After tightening it, now we have our braids sticking out. To fix this, you're going to take your crochet needle and pass it right into the lock, and then you pass your hair right through it. That is, you want to have the braid inside the lock. Okay, then you continue this process until you have the entire braid inside the lock, and this is going to make it really neat. Okay, let me show you one more time so you can see that it is really not that difficult. If you follow these few steps, trust me, you will be making your crochet yourself in no time. Okay guys, we are done, and this is the final look. How do I look? Hope I did well. Yeah, I really love this hairstyle. It turned out really great. So to spice it up a little, I like to accessorize. This is totally optional. I just personally think that this makes it more beautiful. So now we can deal with those edges. So because I have natural hair, I like to use got to be glue because this really lays my edges down. Next up is tips on how you can maintain your faux locks. How I maintain this particular hairstyle. This hair is crochet faux locks. Okay, it's not the regular, it's not the regular faux locks that is wrapped around a box braid. So I like to believe that it is very fragile and could easily get rumpled and tangled if not maintained well. Yes, because take a look at it, like it is wrapped around itself. There is really nothing inside of it, like it's just wrapped around itself. And if not maintained well, because it is really soft, it can get rumpled, it can get messed up and all that. It would not give you that that thick and solid firmness that faux locks needs. I just feel like a faux locks just needs to be firm, like to look like locks, not like I'm doing water wave weaves or something. Like it's nicer that way, firm. Even my box braid, I always like them firm. When I have my braids on, I normally use 2 products to maintain my braids, and they make them firm and they make them last a long time. So I felt, why not just try it out with this and see how it turns out? And guess what? It turned out well. It turned out really well. So I know you guys are wondering what products I've been talking about. Yes, I'm going to show you guys right now. Okay, so okay, this are the product. This is a hair mousse and this is an oil spray. Yes, so I use these 2 products when I have my box braids on, and I tried to use them on this hairstyle, and this is what this is what I got. It's so nice. Like this, you can use any hair mousse. This one is called Above Ultra Old Hair Mousse, and yeah, this is how it looks. I've had this for a while because I really don't do I really don't do box braids. Most of the time I'm always on wigs and all that stuff. It's just occasionally when I want to have some fresh hair, I make braids, and I've had this and I'm always using this for my braids. So I still have it. It's almost finished though, but this is Above, and this is olive oil spray, hair oil spray. So you can use any oil spray of your choice, but this is what I like. It smells nice and works perfectly fine. Gives me the reasonable shine. Like, is my hair not shiny? Like, it's not really shiny, but it's nice and okay. So this is what I use, this too, and they work really fine. So what I do is put a little mousse in my palm and then rub it all together and massage my hair with the hair mousse, after which I spray my entire head with this olive oil spray. Okay, and then I wrap my head with a satin scarf or a silk scarf before I go to bed, and when I wake up in the morning, my hair is looking bomb. Like it's looking so so neat, firm and nice and easy to style and move around and all that stuff. So yes, that is what I do to maintain this hairstyle. Okay guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give me a thumbs up And also let me know in the comment section what you think about this hairstyle. Would you make this hairstyle, or would you tell your girlfriend to make this hairstyle? If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that before you leave, and also hit that notification bell so you get notified when I post my next amazing video. Okay, so guys, until next time, I love you so much. Bye.